Hello everyone, this is Liam from CarPlay Direct and I'm currently sat in a 2007 Jaguar XKR. Now, after months of research, development, we've been able to find a solution to have a Mr12volt kit in either a pre-production VX55 XK or 2006 and 2007 XKs and XKRs. So I just want to cover off some really important points if you're interested in getting this done. It does use the factory microphone, and obviously these Mr12volt kits, they do allow you to hook up an aftermarket camera if you wish. From what we are aware, there is only one difference between obviously the Mr12volt kit in an 06 and 07 and the VX55 pre-production cars versus obviously the kits for 08 onwards that have obviously the native OEM USB and iPod modules to install these is on them cars you can use the home button to flick between obviously the Mr12volt system and the Jaguar system, but on these cars, obviously the earlier cars, you have to use the source button. So if you press this button, that takes you back to the OEM Jaguar menus where you can do whatever you wish, and obviously then you can just continuously press the source button, which will take you back to obviously the USB iPod option. And as you can see, you're back into the Mr12volt system, and obviously this specific car I'm connected to, so running wireless CarPlay on an iPhone 17 Pro Max. Although I am an Apple user, you can also connect your Android device to this wirelessly, so that also is an option. For obvious reasons, we can't tell you too much about the process and how this is done. It's very, very complex. There's a lot of time that goes into it. But as I say, if you're interested in getting this done to your car, please just contact me via the details in the video description. But as you can see, I'll just give you a bit of a demo now of the Mr12volt system. So the touchscreen is working fully, left, right, wherever you want to go. Obviously you can press this button to do the split screen CarPlay. And if you go into this icon, that's obviously the back end menu for the Mr12volt system. And in here, you can see obviously the system versions. In factory mode, you've got the options to obviously do the touch calibration and also the echo cancellation. But yeah, as you can see, fully functioning as a later XKR from 2008, 2009 onwards. But the only difference is obviously they're using the source button to switch over. But so far, the demand for this is huge. And obviously, if you are interested in this, I'll leave all my details down below. We can currently do these in the UK, in-house. We are trying to figure out a solution to offer this across the rest of the UK and potentially into Europe. But the best thing to do is contact me on my details in the video description. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please do leave me a like rating and also subscribe for many more videos coming soon.